Hello, Friendspire TV. We are here at Marina Seaview. Actually, I am with my co-principal, Ma'am Paz Hilig Texon. Hello, Ma'am Paz.
Irene.
How are you, Ma'am Paz? How are you feeling now?
I'm good.
Actually,
It's a mixed emotion.
yes. Actually, Ma'am Paz has been principal for how many years now?
12 years.
12 years.
Yeah.
Remind to mention, Ma'am, kung sa mga schools na imong rangagian.
Yeah. I was my first assignment was in Nagbago Elementary School as a school head. I was assigned last 2012. And then after almost 4 years, I was transferred to Pasok Elementary School after 3 years, to Paho Elementary School. And now, I am currently assigned in Maribago Elementary School. So I stayed there for 1 and 7 months.
Alright.
1 year and 7 months.
1 year and 7 months. Taas-taas jud siya, Ma'am Paz, no? Now, I would like to ask you, Ma'am, kanang, how are you feeling right now that you are being transferred to another school, which is Lapu-Lapu City Central Elementary School?
Feeling right now. Alam mo gina mga principal Marino, marag nahamid jud ka nga makaila pa jud ka sa mga tao. And then first itong assignment ang adjustment, pila sa mga parents na to. And then by the time that we have already make an adjustment, get to know the people well, then marag feel na comfortable, design ko tawag lang yung station, and then yung life. So, this is the nature of our job, our work. So, we need to be ready all the time because we need to abide with the wisdom of our elders, the person in authority. So, as of now, I still have this mixed emotions. Excited to the new assignment at the same time. Lagi ng mga kamanakan really pag kasi mong gibiyaan ba ka, ay nag-establish yung bonding, the relationship ng poor, then siyangay mga programs na nagarahanin mo, ang vision mo, nakasakay na sila sa vision para sa school, combine po sa vision sa DepEd, but then again, we need to embrace changes.
Yes. So you are very much willing to accept the challenge.
Everyone.
Yes. We need to. Yes. Now, talking about Maribago Elementary School, Ma'am, murag taas-taas na yun ang 1 year and 7 months. And I know you have mentioned already na you have built kanang relationship with them, good rapport with them. Na I would like to ask you, Ma'am, kanang anything you'd like to say sa ato ang mga teachers sa Maribago Elementary School?
I've been working with great people ever since in Abuno, in Basak, in Paho, and here in Maribago. Everyone na akong mamit, I always treasure that. I consider them not as my subordinate, but my colleagues, my friends. They're great people. So, very cooperative, very loyal, and then they're good. I mean, they're with me when I give the vision and mission of the school in line with the mission and vision of DepEd. So they're with me. We are, ika pa, kung nag-ride po ko, okay kayo, smooth na kayo ang sailing kayo. Everyone is leading the same direction. So because they understand, we're able to communicate and understand each other. So nindot ko sila kayo. Musunod din sila. Sa may obedient sila in the sense na kung sa'y wala ko naghihatag sa order naghihatag, once it is covered in communication with all of the tools kailangan muna yung nakalimutan sa mga students na daan sa akong bihado where we are facing different people, different personalities, varied personalities. But then again, once we lay out the plan once they understand, musunod na gini sila. Yeah, smooth sailing. Dami ko din. Mora na yung concern na ito mga school na, no, dili yung sulit na mga teachers. So, as long as we're able to communicate with them and they're also able to understand.
Right. So any message for them you can share to your colleagues from Maribago? You can look at the back.
Hello! My colleagues in Maribago Elementary School, muna pag-iinon na my journey with you continues. Sa kanila naman ganiha, ninyo. Padayon lang ta, ina naman siya na. I know I've been uprooted there in Maribago and someone has been planted there to lead you. You're in good hands. Butang tayo stable po lang ang mukuli na ako. But hopefully, dili na ito kalimutan ng atong mga nakatunan, mga lessons that we've learned together. It is not purely happiness. It is not purely something family. So we also have this mga disagreement, but we agree to disagree and we disagree to agree. So wala na siya diha. But at the end of the day, bawas makasabot lang, dali na sila pasabton. Once nang makasabot sila, sunod na yun sila. So padayon sa inyong kaburutan, padayon, pindot na ang natin nasugdan nga kalambuan para sa Maribago Elementary School. Ngayon, mga higala, isa rin may makapanindo sa eskwelahan. Kita naman dyan ni Puyo, di ba? So, it is not about the school head. Probably na meron din na siya ang ibutang na to, 20% is coming from the school head, but 80% for me ha, para na ako is my own opinion, 80% is coming from the teachers. Huwag mo sa manang vision sa principal, sa school head, huwag mo sa manang yung mga plano, the face na lang, and then the people around is not fulfilled. Right. I know the new school head is in good hands. Is in good hands. So, isa kayo butang ina, mga butang kayo. And, pag isa pa, may school head, assistant school head, master teacher to, the producer manalili. So, mura pag naka-jackpot ko ng principal yung butang iha, magraduhan, nakabot principal, no, limutan. So, di mag-isip sa management ng dati. Di pag may pag-dili sila mga hero, they let those people. They're always grounded.
Yes.
With the white, nervous na lady, matalanted, very smart, skilled. And the other master teachers, Helen, Kapipay, when it comes to finances, so stable na siya kayo sa mga problema nila, manage nila. And then, si Ma'am Lenny, and Romy, and Sir Alex. So, nindot tayo. Doon yung pagkatapok niya. Laguan pa ako, kung grasya, napiyayahan dyan ng Maribago kay ipundok din ha mga maayong mga teachers. These teachers are coming from the different schools. So, for example, si Jessie and Sir Magilo, ikaw sila sa Puno, sa Maribago. Sir Alex is has been in Maribago na for so many years. Ma'am Ellen from Dunhog, Ma'am Lenny from Buyo, and then we put sila dito pa mga people. So,
Wow, nice.
From different places.
Kanindot sa Maribago. Well, Ma'am Paz, thank you so much for gracing this interview, and God bless on your new station, and all the best for you, Ma'am Paz.
Thank you, Miss I.
Yes, and to Maribago Elementary School, padayon sa paglampo, sama sa inyong slogan nga Lampo, Maribago. Good luck, God bless sa tanang mga maestra. Thank you, and continue tuning in here at Friends Park TV. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share this video. Keep inspired, everyone. Thank you.